Ready. Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burning down to the ground. You know what I mean? So, if for the first time you watch the channel, yeah, subscribe. You know what I mean? What them for do differently?
Hit the share button and thumbs up. Share the video to many people as possible so we can get more views and more subscribers.
So, we are Billy. This are One King. One King Flames. You know what I mean? New actress.
And this is Trina.
Trina. Yeah. Trina from
Kingston
City. And with that Negro City. Burning down to the ground. Watch a movie. Yeah. Tell what you think about it.
Peace out.
Jamaican Studios. Curious King.
Give me like a time now. No.
Word of advice.
Never give up, never give up. Never give up, never give up. You can try again. You can try again. Never give up, never give up. No, never give up, never give up. No. Even when the world is closing door. And even when things is getting worse than it was before. Even when the bills man come knocking at your door. Even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more. I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in. No. Never give up, never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. You plant the seed, them and know it come rain. Life is so great, why you sit aside and you complain? Seems like something is wrong with your brain. Life is what it is, yes, and I can't apologize for all the things they did. That's in the past. That's in the past. And if you run a race and you're not focused, you know you're gonna come last. You may buck your toe sometime before, but I'm telling you, matter how hard, never give up, never give up, never give in. Never give up, never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. See, I'm a true testimony. See, I am a true testimony. I've been through the rough without any money. See, I am a true testimony. Oh, I've been through war and I ain't got no money, no. You can try again, no. You can try again. Pray to the Most High, He will heal your pain. Whoa, you can try again.
Oh, go on, my daughter.
No, said
Why you feel so worried?
I'm tired of down here, man. No, I think for move, go live with my boyfriend. I'm tired of the oil on the banana and the sauce of dumpling. I'm tired of that now.
Yo, no, listen now. See that? You see, if it's stand over blow down the banana walk, we have 2 little banana tree left. And see me, I want over there so you have full leg. So no worry yourself. You see, after certain time,
Daddy, I'm tired of ground food, man.
Watch out.
I want different food.
Look at banana tree come. Look one there, so you have enough banana we can sell, so we not eat. Actually, eat at all of the banana. We not get to sell none. You see, we could sell banana too. We could some people would have like money to buy look of fish kind put against it. But no, watch out. See there, we buy a ton of banana ready. They're not ready for once.
Daddy, I'm tired of banana. That me I try to explain to you. I want to move and go live with the boy. You can't
Alright, you see, if you're gone, you're gone. But no come back for no banana though. not come back for none. You go on, but you know, me grow you up big enough and me send you through school with said banana, so you come back on this banana now. But anyway, if you want to live with a man, you go live with a man. Me not, first thing...
I'm tired of the boardhouse too, you know. I'm tired of everything done yourself. I just want to go to a new environment.
But listen up, that boardhouse is where you're born. Never you forget your roots of where you come from.
Oh, that's a black house I build. When last I see somebody I build a house these days?
God bless the child that have his own. We have free own boardhouse, my daughter. Me do one when me go on a foreign, because I plan to left for you know. You couldn't get the boardhouse. You and your pitney them couldn't come grow night. Like how me grow you.
So daddy, I go foreign and left me in the boardhouse and I say, I go foreign and send me some money for upgrade the house. I say, this
listen now, when me touch foreign and touch ground, they say foreign is not like Jamaica, you can get things free. You have to go work. So me have a plan for you can do that for a while. If money turn over, you change out the board them into concrete. But for now, me I talk about what Dede. But Dede is the boardhouse. Yes, you might have said 2 pound and rain a fall, that's how it go. You know what I mean? That I found long time days. You know, long day, whole night. We not go on top of that roof, so go jump off and broke my backside.
The house top,
I will not go on that house top. It's too tall and we cannot pay nobody go up there because them too dear.
Why? So why you not give them the banana and just make them do it?
Listen me, most of the people them that do them type of work, there is man. Me not give man banana.
And we take it because you have people who are really in need of it.
Listen, banana make so you say look young and pretty. Man out of want you at the banana them when you yam.
Daddy, me can't bother.
See banana shine in your face, so your face shine at the island it to use. See all the hair that grow.
And all of the island where you put on the banana come out from my skin because I'm tired of them there right now.
Well, not be too ungrateful. Banana no do you nothing. No cost banana. You want to go take your man, you go take your man. No play me pan banana.
If you want banana too, man.
No, a plant you want, you go and go take planting. You have my daughter, I can't give you planting. You go on.
Just banana.
But anyway, if you have to go, you have to go. When I tell just let me know if you're there. You have my daughter, let me know if you're there. And if you get pitney, you name the boy after me. Right? You name your first, pitney after me, come your father.
Suppose boy.
If you're not boy, you name after your ma. Your man no good to know. See your ma run left me. You're alone there, you suffer. Send you to school. You have to take your books to righteous. So you couldn't get one of them scholarship there. You know, take your book good enough. You follow your friend them. See you bore up all nose there. And you know cow. You know cow when you bore nose
or something. Yeah, young cow. Daddy.
Alright, go on calf. Go on calf. But let me know if you're there. I can't find you.
Alright, me too.
Yes, so me come here now, no problem. You go check your man, Because when me want to look for your mama, you know, you think nobody in my yard couldn't tap me? Because when your mother call, when your mother body call, me have to go there. Alright, that's so you come. You go on a road. If you boy lick your thump, him nice seed.
Oh yeah, look for me for. I like when people pass and stay for me, so you know, what you feel like? So we are look for me, so far.
Look on the road and I catch you, I mean that.
Hey girl, come back. You know who me be? You know who me put on some girl? Know who me be? Come and look for man.
Beat up who? And what you do? Come on, babe. Cause yo, nobody enough ramp with them. I'm tell you something, mash up somebody for you. Which one? What's it? Come in. Now I go. It's alright to your place to make somebody come beat you up, be. Turn up right, I come. Turn up right, Yo, me say that to me.
Come for the penny?
No man, sorry. I told me on man, I come to you and some more buy one drinks.
How you take me for? You take sweets some people with.
No man, I'm not fear base my friend. I come to you and find out if you're good and more buy one drinks.
Yeah, move for us, man. Move for us. Me need a bag of chatting. Move
So
up.
you can't be yourself.
Move up.
Alright, respect. You hear my friend?
Move up. Alright. Keep walking, no, man. You just keep walking.
Alright.
Yeah.
You say no want to drink?
No, man. Me good, man. Me not take sweets.
Alright.
Me not sweets, girl.
Tell them you do anything, yeah. Back from somebody here now. Alright. Tell us some you heard that somebody feel nobody can rock with it, no, come on, babe. No, man, you have to do that, man. Nobody can bad me up, be. No only pass man, yes, me lick down fair, man. Now that day, me shut a boy a box, man. No, man, come go up there, I say I want to coward and I know her. Yes, I know her mother. So I go up and shut her back. No, hold on, babe. I know her mother. Her mother grew me. So I go up and shut her back. So I realize that I'm calm her down. And so you see, I come to you now and tell us if it's easy. You see, next time I come to you, at this one you get. So I tell her. I tell her if I calm. But I know her, babe. Know yourself, man. Come on. I love you, and nobody can do nothing, you know, man. Oh, God, man. Yo, I need to ask you, but I'm not even remembering. How much money you work last night?
What that have to do with you?
I mean, what that have to do with me? Me and them is supposed to know everything what go on in your life.
You
Come like that.
What you mean by know everything?
So you hide things from me.
That's not your problem.
Sit down right there, so me I talk to you. Sit down right there, so. How much money you make last night?
That's not your problem, I say. Come like say now here. Stop touching me. Come on.
Wait, watch it. Sit down, watch it. Yo, sit down.
Come on, Tom. Up
What?
Where you are doing that? Me on. Watch it. Come on, man.
Empress.
Come on.
Yeah, that's stuff. Come on, Tom. Bag.
General, yo, when you want, yo, listen. When you want, come. What? We don't beat too much, general. We don't do them something there.
So if you come and take me one out of you, you ain't the one paying.
Woman, I can't have the good, you know, beat them.
Come on, man. Come on.
Come on. Hold on, young. We are in the life.
What you mean by?
You see, man, I want to kill you every time. When I know backs down, I kick down. When I know kick down, I slap up.
Why?
You know what time you come to Saskatchewan and you only in there, tumble down in there.
I can't do better. I cuss off my mother, my father, my auntie, along to my sister them, all of my family for him. So I don't have nowhere for going now.
Teach you something in life. Never you come to family because of our relationship. Because sometimes the relationship is better than Titanic. You don't know when you go break free. What you do to your life? You're young.
Well, alright, no, a long time I want to move up, but I tell them I don't have nowhere to go. I can't just, when I go move up on the roadside,
Well, you have a point, but the thing is, I'm trying to say...
me have to just go and stay underneath them treatment until I can do better.
So, out of catch up 2 zinc in a bush, and some coconut leaf round here, and some bamboo, and make coconut, all of them can make bed. Them.
So wait there, you don't know him? All if me catch up 2 zinc, he might find this and lick it down. One good layer come kill me now.
You're building near the station, you can't come there.
Police now do them work again, you know. Let me tell you that.
I know that sometimes they don't beat a jig, but I don't wrong them because government now pay them good. Because me are the police, I tell you see, every tax ticket, when they write up every driver's ticket, they got 5,000, I say, bad man, hold a seatbelt ticket and give it to
Because no matter how my gas station, all them come complain to him, he still do the same thing. No, you know, like them talk to him serious. I'm tired of it now, man.
In life, you know, you can't buy out police, you know, so maybe
So me forget money for buy out police and you want to take from my working money every evening. I eat him and warm me over, you know. Want to know how much me get for my pay. What that concern him?
Well,
my money where me hard work for. What that concerning?
no, really should I hide between them, you know, cause if a man works still, they want to know how much he can get. Me wrong or me right?
Really ask him, you know, but if him up for tell me, you know, but me not go down in him skin. How much money him want? You think he want no good from me? How money him want from me? And then beat me up when me not want give him.
You know you want to kill it, you know.
What you mean by me want? Me can't do better than me, I tell you.
The money we are, you could have go look room rent.
I can't look room rent because I want to look at chum change. Just look at my buy 2 food stuff, I done it done.
You find one landlord with a man, and you just flash it 2 times. You don't have to give him it. If you want to see now one tight and you look a camel to a turn up, and give the room, instead of put an argument here, say, yo, this can make you
The
stay.
man that madman, not the landlord, when we come kill. Me I tell you, you know, him dangerous, you know. That's why me have to go far from him, far,
you feel like
out of different
Every
parish.
time we talk, you mention him. So you know, the argument done, you say, if you want to go back and kick it
Me
down, I say,
nah
go
go
down.
back, me just want. You don't know now where me can stay. Me can't come stay with you, or you know nobody where me can stay.
Stay with who?
No man, me
Stay with who?
can't go
I
back.
live with a mad woman, you see? Every day me see chopping that machine. Say any relative or any friend they can come, they say they must stay. Me I lose my finger in one. You
Hello.
go on.
Treasure.
You go on. You figure it out. You figure it out.
Come here. Where I go? Come over here, sir. Come over here, sir, me shady. Because you make me have to run through a shortcut all dog run out for me.
That's my problem.
Come over here, sir. Me I talk to you.
Dog problem.
Me say come over here, son, and make me have to come over this to fear you. And stop on to you, man. Why you always make me have to get angry for you? Which way you go? Come right, sir. Listen, me not come right, sir. Me not like deal with the aggressive. Me come right, sir. Come right, sir.
You don't need to know whisper me I go. Me I go somewhere me need to go. What you mean by?
What you mean you go somewhere you need to go? Come over here, sir, man. I one place you need to go, and I in a yard.
Stop
So I don't
jealous,
know where you
son,
take bag and... Listen me, sir, man. I don't want to thump in your face, sir. So I don't know you come back and take bag and run. You know, so I need money. I cut off all of my friends them because of you. Just to protect you. Because if a boy this year, I wipe that out for you. Nobody can this year once
So
I
we
live
are
in.
going so family for we are be.
Because of you make me a go and say, you know, say once I not have money, I not happy.
So we are fight me after.
Eh?
We are fight me after then.
Just calm down, Nabi. I tell you, say anybody ramp with you, me murder that fear.
So when the fat girl that beat me up with you never did say nothing about it.
Which fat girl beat me up? It come like I'm a slap in your
You
face.
see what me
You see no girl beat me up?
You see what me a talk about?
Yo, lawyer. Which fat girl do it? Me go for this any but when me see I want girl, me so me not bother hurt her. So me just leave her alone. Anyway, babe, listen to be calm. You know me love you already. And I true me love you make me a
You
be so strong
always
with
a
you.
do this. You
Nah, do
always
this to you again,
you
man. Come here,
always
man.
a pretend and them
Come
something.
here. You know me love you. I mean, I want to do nothing for her, but sometimes I just get me aggressive. I'm really love you. I just like to see you and you. I don't like to see nobody around
And that
me.
you tell me the last time.
If you're on your phone, you just get me aggressive. I feel like it's another man I give away both. I'm alone for you go unite. No other man no for you go unite. You see me? I just like you, I don't just gravitate to you.
You have to change
Nah, hurt you
them
again,
ways
baby.
if you really want my
Listen,
back.
I'm not hurt you again. Just believe now me. I say, okay? You know I love you already. I am my excellent man. If you can come back home with me.
Alright then, you come back.
Alright, that's time I have to love you. Come on, now go match the place. Come on.
Yeah.
I want to you now. I will make you an app so.
Come here, I want to talk to you. You know, so I just chop off my back door, babe.
So what that have to do with
Help
it?
me rub it up. Okay.
Put look at alcohol on it
I
or
chop off my
something.
bike out and road not too long and my friend and can't go to the doctor, but the doctor tell me say I go want some money for deal with it because it come like
What you mean by
It's
want
free.
some money? So why you are tell me that?
what you mean why me I tell you that?
Me I ask
I
why
tell you
you
some want some money for go to the doctor. You give me talk shot. Eh? You're not business with me health
That's
then.
not my problem.
What you mean that's your problem? Me you're dead. So you're not business with no foot then.
Me listen your pan by?
What you mean if you send the pan by?
No, me I ask
So if you come here to me and tell me say something dear and me have the money, you think me I go say that to you?
Yes, see me.
Me I go try to help you.
Ah, if you see me with no
Well,
money.
anyway, you go get it. You go get it and make sure so me go to the doctor today because my foot needs to fix.
Oh, come make me get it now. Make me get it.
Brother, man, you talk to me here. I tell you if you watch a speech on other day, and when you talk to me certain way, I then send me hurt.
Me
And
not go get no money. That me don't say.
and at that me say you need to go get money. What you do?
When you see me on the key on your face.
What you do? What you do?
Burning. Why the water drip up on my bed?
You mean why you want to do the pay bill?
Why this a water drip up on my bed? If I don't make it on, you happy you put it on the browning.
So that now you want to jug.
The water jug dirty, girl. I can't put the dirty something up on my bed.
So why you come put the water jug on my bed now?
And from other day, me have to put on the chingo, man. I come out is sticking in my ear. Me tell you this now. From other day, me have problem with you. I know I'm gonna let out everything. You know, stop wearing me things, them, girl. You wear me drawers. You wear me slippers. Me don't know. You wear me
Who
clothes.
wear drawers? Girl, let me tell you something. You wear my drawers and my slippers when me have in here. You remember my slippers?
First thing
Where
first.
they? Me can't find it. So where you come and pin down things for me for?
Up to me good comb and me just buy. You're gonna use in your fungus head. Tell me now.
Me give you gel. Me give you lipstick. Me give you everything. So if me use one comb, that is none of your problem, right?
You me buy none of my. You didn't ask me feet. You didn't ask me feet.
You have to ask your feet. When
What
you
do you
spray up
mean
my perfume, when you spray up my perfume, then you ask me feet.
When I use my lotion for your body, you ask me feet. You
Look
ever
here.
get me sheet them and I put on your bed. You put man sheet them on your bed. And
I want to wash them. I want to wash them.
Me buy me fan, me turn me fan for me side. In a me gland there, me wake up fan turn for you. Where there the fan automatically just spin and go
You're
fan
too
turn for you.
mean. You're too mean because you have a fan and you just stick it off your bed like say me don't want some fan too.
And you buy there, me buy.
Me share everything with you. You're too mean. I want to stingy girl. That's why
Stingy
we
girl?
can't stay here with you.
Then go on.
We soon left.
It
We
was up
soon
in
left.
one.
Just wait
Just
till
soon
mountain
left.
come. Wait till mountain come and me pay me rent. I left me a live
I
out
know boy, you come out of here. No.
You can't hold me. I give me money to pay my half rent. You
Look
can't
here.
take me from out there.
You can't
Girl,
give
go
back.
sit down.
Girl,
Go
me
sit down,
can't
girl.
give back for your half. Right, and also come out of this.
Come
Come out of
Let me
this.
tell you something, man.
Come
No.
on. Come on,
Come
girl.
on. Let me go. Let me go.
Come on. Come on.
You can't want to warm me up. After
Relax. I bought you, me I use now. I shit me I
Brother,
shit on you.
brother,
Hey,
hey, I'm the brother you want to fight. I'm my brother you want to fight.
Relax.
I will use my foot and tap in your
Because
chest.
I
my
use
girl.
my sister thing them
Yeah,
and
I will use my foot and tap in your chest.
Hey.
No matter what you're doing,
Relax.
girl.
the bow. You got the bow.
Relax.
Brother, you want the girl.
Relax.
I should have shot your brother.
What you-
Girl, I know karate.
Oi.
Girl, I know kung fu. Let me go. Girl, I know kung fu. Me, get the real Jamaican kung fu. You know what I mean?
Relax. Hey.
Hey.
Feel ready for the man to say feel ready to
You're the girl that know me, you man.
Me get me things.
This
I
is the thing
let
you
out
want
here.
go on,
Come
man.
out.
Me let out here.
You know, come here, Giselle.
I try to give back money for buy my slippers.
Slippers. Give me back my jars. Give me back my jars. That's my jars. I don't want to jars. Give me back your money for buy up my jars, then, girl. Come out of
Calm
this.
down
Let's
with
get buy
coffee.
up. You have money.
Oh, go on. Calm down.
Yo.
I bought you, me I use now. A man, me have hard bone and you just sing a cuss.
Hard bone. I'm going to give you hard bone. I'm going to tell you if you're going to young something them. I'm going to give you hard bone.
Who not
It makes sense to
possible?
come out of my face right
How
now.
not possible?
The girl I use my things them, brother.
You don't know that already.
She
a long time
She wear me drawers. She wear me slippers. Me don't know what else me have out she not use. Nighttime
You know that already.
Nighttime put the fan on me. Imagine, you know. Me wake up my heart. Only if you see the fan turn on the girl. Make sense she just rotate the
If
fan.
you just buy her a fan, then...
Who fi buy her a fan? She fi buy her own a fan. She fi buy her own a fan.
She not do that. That's what
No, me don't try and get a new roommate because the girl them. Me only hope say any other roommate me I get. You still like the girl.
Instead of get up every day and the cuss. You know worth it.
See there, I'm the lotion. Me not use it to some lotion weird on yourself. So you can't see marking, right? Right, that's how you
Although,
right, that's so. You come like say look up here because I'm back to share drink out. I'm carry the baby come over here. Look on it.
Make sure this not happen again. Make sure you set some rules set. Fear things are fear. Don't show if you want some of this, you ask me. Don't this, right?
You can't go on to. Me start from your case now. You can't go on to.
Because I tell you to set.
No, me know so me gonna set my rules and you can't go on to. Me gonna make a video, put on TikTok. If I ever come in here, dead, she get in a deep. And thank you for thank you say you come in here, a dead girl that. You know she dies, everybody are rolling, you know. Go on.
Make sure you side.
Go on. Go on. Don't let me do it. Go on. I'll make a video. Hello, my name is Brittany and I'm looking at a roommate. Has to be a girl, no boys. So I just need you guys to contact the number that you see on the screen. So me not need no demand them for you to take my number off of this year and I contact me because I found a waste of time. If a man me did a look, I go look man long time. But me not look no man, I need a roommate and make sure it's on a serious, no joke thing. You see me? So just contact the number up here and text me or call me and you guys will get further information on where I'm located and stuff. So just contact the number, guys. Is that the video?
Yeah, I can't go on TikTok, go watch every video, you know.
Hello, my name is Brittany and I'm looking at a roommate. Has to be a girl, no boys. So I just need you guys to contact the number that you see on the screen. So I don't need no demand them for you to take my number off of this year and I contact me because I found a waste of time. If a man me did a look, so I don't need no demand them for you to take my number off of this year and I contact me because I found a waste of time. If I
The same girl who I call you.
oh, hello. Yeah, the person they come, right?
Yeah.
Come in. No, really what you miss because contact me because I found a waste of time. If a man me did a look, I would go look man long time. But me not look no man, I need a roommate and make sure it's on a serious, no joke thing. You see me? So just contact the number up here and text me or call me and you guys will get further information on where I'm located and so just contact the number, guys.
Wow. This sound good, man. See if I can call her then. Ask her some more questions. Hello?
Who is this?
I saw you on TikTok and you said I'm supposed to, yeah, you need a serious roommate and stuff.
Okay.
So I am interested, but I would like to know where you're located and stuff.
Alright, so just text me on WhatsApp and I will send you a further location. So what's your name?
My name is Trina,
And your age?
20.
Alright, perfect. So just text me on WhatsApp and we will continue from there.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome.
What? So an interesting texture.
Who is that? Oh, you're the perfect one, right?
Yeah.
Alright, come here. I'm not really watching mess because the last roommate we did here, she leave today and
That's
she leave in a mess. So.
That's alright, man.
Alright, so basically what they are talking about over the phone now. We can continue so I can sit down. So sit down right here. So. Alright, so and today I moved here, right?
Yeah. Today.
So you not bring no bag or no clothes or
I'm
anything?
outside.
Out.
I just run away from one boy I had in between me and you. I left everything down there. Cause be a beat him, I beat me up.
Oh.
30.
Oh, so you have money for you and everything. You have to pay your rent, half of the rent.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
stuff.
man. Me have money.
Alright then, so the rules I know over there is gonna be yours, over here gonna be mine. One fan that you rich, my fan. So if I want to buy a next fan, no problem, but if I want to share it with you, I can. I'll also have AC, but if you run the AC, you know, so the current bill go sky high. And the TV now, both of we see and we have the small fridge right there, so
Yeah.
between the two of we and stuff. So over here, so your quarters, over here, so my quarters. So your stuff then is supposed to reach over here, so.
So me have to go pay you no money or nothing like that or
Yeah, me, I'll give the money.
how much money?
Alright, so basically 25.
25 every
Yes.
month.
Alright, so.
So you could have cut it down little. Like give me a little discount. Remember the situation when me a come outside now. Give me a little discount, man.
To tell you the truth, if me go give you a discount, it will affect me as well. Because if me go give you a discount, I may go pay most of the money. For example, 50 grand if you pay, right? If me go give you 20, me go pay 30. Which some say 25. So they say it all day. Because I don't want to pay above. Unless, if me I go pay the whole 30 and you pay 20, you can go use the fridge, you can go use the fan or the TV.
Alright. Where so I'm get most things so my comfort. Reasonable.
Alright, so back to what me there say. Now we save your quarters and I save my quarters. I make your things then come over here so cause it you know.
Yeah, mix up on them something there.
Alright, so.
So what me if me carry like one little booby? How that I go work? Or you know make other people come in like the whole soul.
That if me not there here, but if me there here now, you have to show respect or you got the booby yard. Or you got a bathroom or run a back or something like that. Or me can give you personal space at times. Me not gonna say all the time, me not promise you that. For sure. So all of that me I try to say straight. Alright, so all of that me I try to say straight. So let me say over here, so yours. Things always be clean.
I know that's fair fat, man.
Alright, so I take them
Yeah, one
something
girl
else.
be clean and nasty.
So the mirror, the girl, something them. The girl already there here at first, or things them. So I just put it somewhere. Don't even know if I can put them somewhere, trust me.
Let's put everything on.
I put them right here, so
Yeah.
until further notice or stuff. I'm just scared to get them, so we should carry something. Alright, so here's yours, that's all mine.
Alright.
Your quarters, this is my quarters.
Alright.
Okay. Oh, so next thing again, we need to show you a bathroom and some other stuff. So, follow me. Here's the bathroom.
I want a long story that part this thing.
Okay. So.
Alright, give me a minute then. This one come.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay, let's go in and have time now. Tell me the story now.
Why? You know I said me did live with one look man and
Oh.
him a want abuse her. Every minute he want come put him hand on me and lick it. And the man want know how much money me work and want go in my bag every evening and all of that.
So yeah, but wait.
You know, you just get comfortable with it.
Bye, love. To You left him now?
Yeah, someone must left somebody like that. I don't want no more man who come like him. I don't want nobody
Well,
else
me
to
is a
stay.
very, very nice youth.
Me not
Take
sure
care
of that,
man.
but I know you stay
Me
now,
too.
but just see.
Me take care of man with you. I want juice.
Yeah, but I do
Some
good
better
with
with
juice.
You buy one bag juice.
Alright. Bug juice better than water.
You buy one bag juice and you cool them. So when you come yesterday,
Yeah man, yesterday I come in at the evening. I see the video with the sister on TikTok. I said she want one new room here.
oh,
So I call her and make the link and so comes me down here now.
oh. So like when you're there, you know, I look man for like massage your body.
No,
and comfort
no.
when your sister gone.
No. I run out of a relationship. I don't want to run in our next and I feel run like me and Ilian Thompson.
When I see him, every man is not the same. Me different.
Me not sure of that, you know.
You
Me
can't
not
be
sure of
sister.
that.
You're different. Look on skin. The first one skin looks so. You're different. Me
Your
that
skin
different.
have feel with me. What kind of skin you have?
Me have key light skin. Them skin are rare. Yeah.
First me I hear about the skin like
That's
so
for sure I'm
interesting.
different.
Oh,
You ever see a man wear two shirts?
no, yeah, you're not alone to do them something there.
You ever see a man give $50?
No,
Exactly. You're different.
Achoo.
You're different you.
Achoo,
Them man they're different. You're different you from them. So now you can't give me a chance.
no, more.
Just give me one chance and make sure yourself is different.
No, I'm not sure if I go do the same thing. More stay single right now. I'm not in no. Run out of the
Yeah, the
relationship
fear,
yeah, to run from out of the one yeah to the one there to the one yeah to the
To the one there, to the one there. Alright, me come back. Rise and shine the man. You
I
wash
will
sheet.
me that way.
You don't wash sheet, man. Sorry, man.
You will look you have one Louis Vuitton sheet there once I watch.
Ah, yeah, wash your me, the wash you.
I see a machine with clothes wash it. So nice to meet you, yeah?
What
Just
every
think
time?
about it, tell us.
What
Just
every
think about
time
it.
when you just have
Hopefully you got through my brain again.
Alright, just think about it, yeah?
Hopefully you got through my brain.
Alright.
And next time when they come in here, please knock.
You
Not
think
before
I
you
am
come
alone
in.
there?
If you're for me alone there, me can be naked too. Not before you come in. Go
So
on.
I am my sister.
Yeah, me and sister, go on. Go on. You're full of too much tough chat now, man. Jeez. Nobody watch that, so I'm ready. You know? Me ain't even
I
roll.
want to ask you a question. So, your brother one good person?
My brother is talking?
Yeah, like as in relationship wise with your woman and like him live woman
Oh.
and everything.
No, not like that. My brother good, but I can't swear for him.
And nobody pick up,
100%.
nobody pick up him because of your brother, you know.
Look here, me's a personality, me not pick up with people. If I want good boy, me I tell her. If he never good, me I tell her say no good. I want good boy, and my brother that. You see me?
I just want to know if I'm a one good boy, because I'm not in a run up and down thing.
Oh, I want good boy, man. I can't trust him.
So you think we should have talked to him?
Well, it's up to you. Me not tell us if I go do it. And so, me not promise us no man loyal, no, but him, you know, say, based on my sister far, he loyal. So, you can give him a chance, man, if you feel like give him a chance. Me not rush, I go tell us if you wait, because if I'm not about to rush,
You know, me I go maybe give him a chance, but me I go and watch him. You know, me I go think about it. Maybe give him a chance.
Alright.
But me there I want to go on the road, still go look work.
Oh, so, I'm going to look about something in the kitchen, but I'm not sure.
Oh, where you go cook though?
I think I look about chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, with rice.
What type? Curry brown stew? What?
I want stew. Can't buy the curry, you know. You want some?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, you go on for the road. Then.
Alright,
Go on,
later.
go on. Push on your money, manager food.
Lucky do I try tea?
May I come out?
Girl, wake up, man.
Yes, see I do
You look tired, man.
I'm just gonna cook or something. Just do it off.
Like, you know, so I get one look working at the town door.
Okay.
I look on cashier work and thing.
Oh, cashier.
Yeah, now I look at supermarket.
Well, that's nice, you know, because at least after the job them, you can go and maintain, you can pay rent and them stuff there and buy local food.
And that
or
means
stuff.
I'm grateful for getting the look work, man.
Yeah, good something.
So
when you gonna start?
them some for come tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow?
Yeah.
And them a pay good, right?
Yeah, them a pay me good, man.
As long as them a pay good, so you can pay rent a month time because I'm so like joking thing.
Them a give me 15,000 a week.
15,000 a week.
Yeah.
Well, that good then. 15,000 a week, good. Yeah, 15,000 a week, good.
Yeah, I made I forgot to go look at come and I just want to sit down and I glow up my time. I know I not do nothing wrong. Because you know me have to have money and things. You know me have to have money and things.
Well, yeah, that's the most. But as me I say, you know, I cook the food and then the pots, you can go and share it out for hot up back over. You can go do that.
Alright, me do that.
Next time, they mix some drinks in the fridge. You can take some if you feel. Just feel free to take. We don't want it in the kitchen.
Alright.
Yeah. But you know how me just I just eat and kitchen you already, so just this way.
When my day come, I have to treat you good.
Yeah man, cook to the supermarket and stuff. Yeah. Whew.
Glad they give me a chance, you understand? Me I tell the truth, me and I like the other man. Me know this.
Me progress and
Yeah, it take a work out, me I tell you the truth, yeah?
The sun hot, no?
Yeah man, I buy an umbrella so it's sun not burn again. Yeah?
Alright.
Them things, I soon start take care of you. The first time I really give you the bad figure $50. So just get a test, you understand?
It better than nothing, because some girl not get no on tell you.
Exactly. So, them type of loving them who want to show you.
Yeah.
You have money, you know, but them type of loving them who want to show you.
I know I say I have money, man. Because I'm here, sister.
You have money, you know, but no one show you the real type of loving. No one say, if you struggle. I go back a zero, you can struggle with me now, left because I'm on that's why I'm the gear $50. You understand?
No, wrong with that.
But if you say you're cool and you're alright with everything, you really make me stress you. And you know, say this, I'll go a long way.
Me a nice girl, you know?
No, say you're a nice girl. You're nice, you shape good, everything. Everything is boy and nice, you understand?
Yeah.
Only cooking part now, I'm not test you yet. No, you
You
can
don't
cook
worry
though.
about that part then.
Alright, just see
Yeah,
so.
chef.
Nah, worry about the part there. But me can cook, do two little things myself stuff. You understand?
Yeah.
But not really much, not really in depth in it. But me can do one and two things myself. You understand? Burger King. Get something.
That would have been good.
You like that?
What one?
Yeah, go and do something on the laptop.
You're going in good light on tell you what. No?
Yeah, go be a bit here.
Alright. Yeah. Oh, yeah, look on so.
Oi. Let me tell her something now. She a my new roommate. I mean, want you hurt the girl. Same like how you do to your ex. You beat the girl so she have to go to hospital and doctor every second. You deal with her so because I need somebody to stay here to help me with the bills them. I don't want you to ruin it. Because we crash your plane. No, remember me tell you that. Me curb her mind if not there with you. If I done the game, so you are going to play with her. Make sure, say take care of the girl.
Listen
and
me.
Don't go chat about no, listen me. Listen me. I don't want to hear what you have to say. Because as I said the last time, you hurt the other girl. I don't want to hurt this one. She seems like a nice girl and she'll keep the place tidy and she do as me say, so make it stay there so and I hurt the girl. You see how it a flow now between the two of you? Some want if it flow. You see me? So know your grounds and deal with the girl good.
Something wrong with you? Me just go meet the girl that come from work. I'm a woman. Me different from in my past. Me change now. So I don't know what I talk about.
It makes sense.
Move that backside down already. Me the same person in my past. Me change. You understand?
Look here, let me say something to you. You chat boy with a backside a long time. Remember say your friend the girl them first before they see your true colours. Are you that? So nobody feel like I can friend her now and then show her your true colours after. No do that. That's not nice. Yeah, my brother, I'm gonna tell her the right thing. Me not tell her nothing wrong. More something good for you and more something good for her. So you just, as me said before, deal with the girl good. You say it's a strange person who wants to see that. I don't want nobody to come to me no complain because what? I'm in a relationship fixer. Because the last time, if you meet them on a problem, then I'm going to come dash it on. I don't want.
You're not hearing nothing about this relationship.
It makes sense to come out and
So
fix
just
it, man.
excuse yourself from here.
Oh,
You understand?
for
It's a go on good and now so just.
Mr. Star, let me tell you this now. No, it makes come out on the face. Come out on the face. Excuse for you, so you come as a come see me. Excuse. This is a shame.
That's no reason.
It's like a black boy, man. They damn papaya tree. One in the sun. Disgusting. Disrespectful. Right.
Yeah, blessed evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, Trina there?
Trina?
Yeah.
Yeah, who you before?
I'm her daddy.
Her father. So, I'm not hear she talk about she cause of all of she family, my mother, father, auntie, grandma, everybody. So, how you can look here now? Well,
Yeah,
now I want
you
good
see, you
vibes.
see.
Come not really want the vibes at my place.
No. Listen me now. That come out of me. Back. Go in her mother. Me not tell her where you go in her mother where. But she come back out her mother. Me not tell her where she come back out her mother. And me not tell her pass it on 9 months in her. But me wash her face in there. So her face look like a female. And me pick me. So no matter what in cuss and ring up in face. The two men they are foreign. Me just come back. When so me land in a place and now somebody tell me say yes so she there. So me come from give her a talk and then go back. And me not turn to Jamaica too long. Don't get too hot, man. I gotta leave, right? Where she there?
Alright. Trina,
Yeah.
your father is here for you. To you.
Like me.
Alright. Sorry for me. When here?
Brittany.
Alright. Yeah, well I'm fire.
So in there's alright.
Alright.
I was that to clean up back in the come see your badge with slippers.
Yeah, I know the crab food. Not along with you.
Oh, one daddy.
Long to see you, you know, my daughter. Long to see you, man.
Long to see you too.
How you do?
You know.
I bet you still not eat.
May I take the hard life easy?
What?
What I mean by me eat regular?
Yes, for your gas.
You say if I did I send my money often.
No, because you cost me off, man.
So that not give you no right for not to ever check up on me and say I would
No,
otherwise.
you know, sir. I went to a meeting with some people and I see them with them family and I just looking to myself and say, no, so I really have to reach out back to my daughter. But I plan to cut you off fully, you know. Because true, you got on your head, not them time that the me say you left the boy now and you run away to the different
You know,
place.
sometimes I have to yam and a pumpkin. So what I deal with though?
Well, just fly in a place and I chip out back with some more farm work and I work for my business. When a business there fully flourish, I want to put your name in it, that means you can call say, your mother, I don't really trust her fully. Because I go that foreign and I come back, the mark move from where I left it. But I don't feel conversation.
So you and I still them and I think on life.
Listen me, you see man and woman never left until then dead. If they don't see each other, even have a new man or whatever, they still have a connection. For them when go there, they still can't go there again. Because they call the whole fire stick. And this a fire stick here already
I
ready.
don't want you about no fire stick. Like.
No, listen, no man teach me this something. But the same way, so you do that on the topic, you see that boy, Whether you block your future traffic and not block you from having things in the hurt.
No matter go there, son, now, daddy. I don't want to hear about him.
You know hear about him? But you're him there again, still I left him for true.
I left him for good this time.
Alright, so what going on you do? Me say rent you pay?
Yeah, rent me I pay 25k a week, a month.
A month. You better go link back and now. So more you do, you go give them my number, make me just pay a fee for 1 year for you. Unless you look at change, you can buy yourself one soft drinks and give your friend a frat and fight up, right?
Alright, me
Alright.
do that, yeah, man.
But you go on now. But then I play so 2 days if you want to come up I will tell me when I need them, alright? But me go, I'm not sure me a date. Come here, promise a pocket to buy. It's not the business.
Oh, yeah, buy a piece of
Property out here.
Oh.
Yeah, man. So
what kind of business you have planned to
I'm not
start?
sure yet, but I just want to have the land first.
Oh.
So if me have the land, I know so if I put one business on one side of it, at least we can put one business on the next side for you. Anything you want to do. As long as you don't go club.
No, say you know, say that 9 hour blood.
Yeah, man. So we go line up that because one thing me I tell you, when you come out, you know, tell your mother the first time, look for me and say, yes,
Daddy, me not know that.
this is an angel. We know. We said, this is an angel.
Daddy always a come with them one bag of story.
We know. I have great plans for you. Till man and the kid na board enough. So, we lose that for you in the first lap. But
Yeah, you know everybody make them mistakes. So
no,
nobody
me no-
come use it back against.
No, listen, man. Me not blame about mistake. I make mistake already. I make a lot of mistakes that I don't worry about, right? So me not say this and say that, but me I say to you, say, please stay upon the straight and narrow. Anyway, me now pull a database story.
Yeah, nobody come here
All
with
right.
the story because all I'm going to see me here and check up on me and come here with
I check up on you, but you don't know me check up on you. Me send people come watch and just say, alright. If I want to never make a do, if you sit here, you choose your man, me not involve my man to hurt your man, it's about your man. But if I want stranger do nothing,
I
you about
process
it.
that. I don't want to hear nothing about that.
But you're good otherwise on that though.
Yeah, man, me there take the rough life easy.
Well, we have to rough it before we start make money, so likewise you chip no far from black, and so your mother have to rough it too.
Alright.
I go club beat your mother, you know, I never tell you.
Oh, Jesus.
I buy 1 pound for the man you come.
So that means that me a mistake then? Would I never
I
plan
told you that I make a lot of mistakes and you were one of them, but when you come out and say this is an angel.
Me, that's why I mistake. So you see, that's why I make so much mistake and I did a mistake in the first place.
But
You can't blame me, you know.
But I know you is the only one is a mistake. Majority of Jamaican pitney come upon a time we probably never planned for.
Daddy, go on.
We
go
are
on.
poor
Me
people.
Daddy, go on, just go on now. I can't take the long story with you.
Look how long it is. See, that's one I think, you know. I mean, cut you off, you know. You see, you're impatient and, you know, grateful or grateful. You know, see your father how long and the first thing you say,
No, man, if you come back and tell me, say, yo, daughter, I save in a little bank account, see the bank here, you can join anytime you want. You come back here and give me one little chum change and now tell me one long story now. Come
Yes.
on, daddy,
Alright.
better, man.
I'm going to tell you one thing now. Me know so that you want, you know. You do want me to give you one card for your swipe it. And when, wait now. Wait, silent, I can pay for your silence. Wait, you see, what you want me to give you one card, you swipe it and then look at boy then hold them back to cross it and take the card for you and get the pin number. Me not really worried, me buy the piece of land, give you a business money, so if it run down, we can help you up. Me not give my money, so. Young man, you alright? You have a job? Yeah, you alright? Young man, you have a job?
You don't need to know about that, no, sir. I tell you, come and chat more. Me cut my ears and see a chat more how give your friend pan. You give your friend, you go frat up pipe up. What you mean by kind of
No man, a country, that's what we talk. That's what we talk, a country. So you buy one case, we call.
Just because you are trained a father, but don't disrespect you and a rascal, big sense of go on.
Me full of disrespect.
If
This
you
one not known to me. Boy, you must know, listen, calm down, young man. You can't be so, you never cock your ears.
All one.
Don't cock your ears.
And you come like come for disrespect you.
Me nah disrespect you.
You don't have no manners, Rasta. You know your limit, Rasta. Go on.
Alright.
Go on, man.
You see your face bend up?
Yeah, make it stay, you know.
Because I can't have problem.
Yeah, we have no problem. We are one of them too.
Listen to me. I have some daughter bigger than she, they will come chase you off. Me tell them
Chase
here.
me off.
I
Carry them come.
will.
No manners, man. Put the take back foot in this here, you see. Take back foot in this. That's what things say.
Alright, yeah, bro. I go come look for one of them there. Yeah. Yeah, man, everything alright and something. You know, I'm not have enough money, but you have to send me a piece of money or that do me good. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright then. Yeah, Tony. Alright. Yeah, Tony, me get back to you, man. Alright.
Who you talk to?
Me I talk to my brother.
You don't let me there right I do it. Who you talk to? Who you
So we are jack me up so far.
Who you talk to? Who you talk to? Who you doing?
Jesus!
Who you doing? Who you doing here? Who you doing?
No, my brother, me attack.
Push me down. Push it. No, what you are doing, girl?
Give me this.
No, what you are doing?
Tell us some,
Yeah?
my brother, me
Which
attack
brother that?
too. Yeah, them some, you don't know that one down here.
Eh?
Oh, yeah, gonna know him. Eh?
Yo. No, what you are doing here?
Move from
Come in fist. No boxing in your face. Come back here, sir. You laugh like you take me thing for joke thing. Eh? You take me thing for joke
when
thing.
you slide,
No,
you
you are
slide
doing.
jack on your face. Yeah, go on and
Oh, what that shit is, sir?
what that have to do with me? And your sister place and your sister supposed to know about the fridge. Yeah, that fuck up. Mother. Move from us.
What you want to say? I want to see you.
Your brother just told me in my face and fight me.
My brother? How come you know my brother is the type of person that? Which party in there? Oi! Oh. What kind of style that youth? After me tell me take care of your girl, you promise me say you change. You tell me say you change. And you beat up your girl. Hello, come in here, so.
Let me tell you, sir.
Look here, me don't want you to sell out to me.
Low water relationship, no man.
Low water what?
Relationship.
If I look here, see how you not gonna make no tenant stay here. I'm not gonna make see how you. Yeah, my brother, but me not gonna make see how you not make me not no tenant here. If you help me pay me rent, maybe chat loud and clear now. What you saying, deal?
Tell me in my
Yo,
face and
go on up.
No, shut up. And that touch her when me there now. No, touch her when time me there now. Yeah. No, touch her. Me want to see you put your hand on her when me there now. Yeah.
Sister.
Look how point your hand in my face. Me fist in your mouth. You don't do that. Don't do that. Sit down back. Hey, you like you don't know
No,
me.
what you are doing?
No, me
No,
I
you
do.
do.
Talk when do you? When do you?
You make my head in
I
the
come
wall
like
and
you don't
come
know
out
who
my
you are
head in my
talking.
belly.
I don't know about it. You should have taken some cloth in my head with you. You have sense.
You need that strong woman. I couldn't manage it.
You tell when I go there so still on a ball. You take some and lick him in the head with you knock
They
him
put when
out.
I put for it.
Shut up when time
No,
me
you
get
are
shot.
saying no. No, you are
What you
saying.
mean by no me? I say me a woman. I'm not gonna make my brother there say abuse no woman. Remember me tell you that. Because me not gonna like me say me there to say one man abuse me. Which no man can do that by the way that me I try to tell you. You see you're not gonna have no good woman in your life if I say they go on.
More relation. I feel relationship.
Come out of my room. room then.
I feel relationship.
I know my relationship, but I'm my room. This so come out of my room.
We go anywhere we want.
Out! Come out! You know what? Get up. Get up. You get too bright and red and
anywhere we
nothing.
want.
No, get up.
Anywhere we go.
Come on now, man. Come and do a wide open. Come out. Out. You don't even get grimy in this thing, man.
Time this happen. No, you get worse than this.
Worse than this? I must when time in the car. Can't when time in the shut up your mouth and come out of this. I want to step back in my room again here. We see what going on in this. Girl, I can't make man a deal with you, so. You have to stand up for your rights. I can't make man a deal with you like this. Could you? Yeah, could all this one up on the head would take you and knock him out with you if you have sense. He must strong at the time. We take down out there so gone ball. That could have full of jump. Take up that there and lick him in the head with it. Matter of fact, you see if a them here problem they are not having a relationship, it makes sense to end it. You not done a relationship right there, so because I can't bother with it. And in my place, everything will take place. It makes sense to end a relationship, man. We can't take them a foolishness in my place. Them a type of things you have to go on in my place.
But you did that tell about so your brother didn't even fight woman either.
Big, that's the point. Me don't know that type of person there. Me frightened one time I tell me say lick you and one bag of something. Girl, I need to know your words. Tell him say done. Cause he say for this year go on, trust me. Me not gonna tolerate them a slap me say in my place. I mean I tell her plain and straight. This a straightforward person. Me not tolerate them a slap me say. Say for this type of relationship I want, nobody had that type of relationship in here. You see if you want the type of relationship I want in here so carry out a road with the relationship, but not in this place here. You hear? You hear me say right? Okay. So deal with that thing, man. If you're gonna left him, you left him. But if you're not left him, it makes sense to carry a relationship out a road. One time we're not ready to fight, and fist and top down.
So this is somebody else please. I said then go ahead and touch it.
Can't see man.
Is it? See you down go ahead and please.
Yeah.
Nice. I told me get my mad to my time, but not me really mean not yeah. No, I take me to serious. But I serious.
I one time think that alright, man.
But I serious to the face, man. That man.
It's not damn place, so.
Punch. I wouldn't just know.
But look at this. God, if you're not busy, come here, they do.
Oh, dear man.
TikTok, look. Best couple ever. Today they cost, tomorrow they ain't good. Just look on them. Them take me as clown. Yesterday me I fix their relationship. Now tell them like a clown. Look at this. Square. No, ramp again make TikTok see. Ramp again make TikTok see. Watch it but my hide face. You can't hide baby love. Could they? Oh my. Look at this. You see, make me like an idiot. Never again me I come fix back on a relationship for you know again. Only never like a fool.
You tell a lower of a relationship and you keep on.
I know, and if you are dead next time, you're going to turn in there and running your dead this kind of me. No, come out on the problem, here. Come out on the
nice place. You get the jerk chicken and your bread and then your garlic bread and yeah, you can go there so later if you want.
I think about it, yeah.
Yeah, this not been here. I'm opening it and come back.
Alright.
You have to pause up the one get around 6 of them. So we have one today.
Yeah, you know my foot size.
Different color when I get them, you know.
Alright, I'm going to use the bathroom.
This, give me this. I want you to use this. I'm going to town now. I'm going to get a new phone, right?
Alright. I still come back. I use the bathroom now.
Yeah. Exactly that shoe.
Hey, go. Get up. Come here. Sit down here, sir. Tell her this, boy. Put on your hand. Come and not even understand Or you move so it move and I said be and there something. You know where you ramp with.
Sorry.
Jesus Christ. Babes. Babes.
Yo, don't move. All of you think you can hide from. Eh? You can run up and down
How are you gonna come?
and go anywhere you want to go,
How
but you
will I
can't
do
hide
to you?
from me.
Babes.
What do you mean? Leave him alone, man, he's not dead. He just gone for a second.
I mean by
Knock me
that.
knock him out, man. Listen me now. Oh, you know to me, I can't left. So no matter where you run go,
Me
you
and
still
you.
will find me. But just know for me there, here.
Babes. We are do to him. Babes, we are cutting him. Babes.
I'm gonna go on there, so. What happened to him?
Remember last time I had a tell?
How will you do to me, brother, girl?
No, you know remember that time when you say if him a fight me again, me for defend myself and knock him out or something.
Serious, follow me and go do that? No, my people come and let me know how happened to you.
Him did a beat me up too much.
Oh no, me not busy about you, you know. Me not busy about you, I'm not busy about you. We not still in a relationship problem. Because the last time I like a clown, this time I'm like a clown again. I take myself out of here. Anything will happen, it happen. And me tell him before, if something will happen, take you out of my house, not in my house. Hello, what happened to you? I should have bossy boss too.
Yeah, touching it so
I feel your brother and my brother, mom. Are you man but I'm my brother? Why you touch my brother? Problem? Eh?
touch him head too hard.
Hello? Hi, hello?
Stop, man.
You deserve it. You get what you deserve. You deserve it. Are you? You come out of here. Good deal.
How you feel? I don't know. I just feel like you just faint or something. Maybe I that yes. How you feel? You want a cup of water?
Yeah, it's some water for me.
Alright, I soon come back.
All is said and all is done, you can be yourself, right? And who am I not to be myself? So as we go along, we're working on Jamaican studio. So I will give you an update. We run a video them, see how far we're there. You know what I mean? So give thanks to the people them who contribute towards the making of the studio. So anybody who want them name involved in it, we always have the option to put them name in it. But me know say inside that Jamwood studio now, it gonna be like a little diary. So everybody who contribute towards them, I put down their name in there. You know what I mean? We gonna have like a wall, a support wall. So everybody who support, you know, so MSG got the on it, because she's one of the main supporter. And we have a couple more supporters, but I don't know if they want the name on it. So if they don't want the name on it, then go make a name, give me the name on it. So when them see that name, they can say, Ray. You know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Because we have to build ourselves. If we don't build ourselves, we go build it. We can't wait for another nation to build we have to build ourselves. You know what I mean? So we think this is the move forward. So even in the prison go have right up on the wall, and then where the people are counting on their days them with them there. So that's it, you know what I mean? Because in Jamaica now, I feel like I'm in a prison, you know what I mean? But it's paradise to many who can come visit and go back. But as for me, still, I don't have a visa, you know what I mean? And I don't have this and I don't have that. So we are fight a way out. We not have left Jamaica still, we can do what we are doing. You know what I mean? Long as we work and reach out to the world. So that's what we're trying to do. So when a young one say want to a movie star, more on then if you can say yo, they reach out to Jamwood or the whole movie fraternity where we are developing now. You know what I mean? Because there's plenty different upcoming filmmakers now. You know what I mean? So that we want to see till there's a need for the industry really for the year. You know what I mean? So we are look for that, the avenue there where we can put some movie pan too. You know what I mean? Because we have whole heap of movie. If say so, there is other platform out there that are not associated with YouTube. You know what I mean? So even them channel there, we can interact the two of them. So people can know. So we there, so we over here, so we over there, so we there. We two place them so we can make it thing bigger. We don't want to have movie on HBO, Cinemax, anyone on big station, them in the world, BET, MTV, anyone on station them can just name it. You know what I mean? Roku, we call the next click, all of them. You know what I mean? Every station where there's possible, we want to put movie on it. So this is just the groundwork, and what we do here, we do it in such a fast space of time. So it's not a thing where you can really judge us upon fully, because it's the payment we go through YouTube. You see, if we could have like get 1 million subscribers in Jamaica and we get that strong support, we could have done much more. But with the views them that we get that are limited, it's gonna give you limited resources, because of what you make, you put back in. For my start movie is what I make, I put back into it. Ask anybody about me. Everything that I make, you go back into the movie, and just a survival for the industry to reach where it's hot. You know what I mean? So sometimes make it look good, make it look pretty, but it's not as pretty as how it look. It's a war. You know what I mean? So who know. But I love doing it still. You know what I mean? Love doing movie. It free the mind. You know what I mean? Because some of the time you can pretend to be a lawyer today, and you can pretend to be a doctor tomorrow. You know what I mean? So that's the good part of movie. You can pretend to be successful. Even when you're broke, you can pretend to be rich, like Master Musa. You can act like that for a minute, you know what I mean? So that's it's an escape. So if you out in the world, you know what I mean, and you come to Jamaica, you know, and you can make a link. You know, if you want one of the movie them same speed, you can come pass through. You know what I mean? You always look for extra people, you know, from different places in the world. As you can see on some of the movie them, you see different people from all over the world. You have people from England, America, Canada. You know what I mean? People from the Caribbean for coming too. You know what I mean? Mix up the things. You know what I mean? It's not a big paying gig, you know what I mean? Without making any money like that. But come to your contribution to art development, you know what I mean? It's a developing process. So time to come, money go the inner it. So if you have the links where money the inner, we can do project for that then, no matter which platform there. We have the resources where we can rent for do certain projects. So we can do big budget movie, but we don't have to have the equipment them. Some of them there in Jamaica you can rent. You know what I mean? So if you have a story where you want to see it live and living, you can tell your story and you can sponsor it, you can produce it, you have different options where you can do to be a part of that. You know what I mean? But for now, just continue to support. Remember, like, share, leave a comment, you know what I mean? Big up everybody in Jamaica, so big up everybody in the world, you know what I mean? All of my fans, them, can you see me on the street, I say, fire, so I go and burn it down to the ground. Bless up on yourself, you know what I mean? Want to make it possible, you know what I mean? So enough respect, enough gratitude, you know what I mean? So, I look forward to get the 100K. See it? Lightning flash. That means a real thing. I want the 100K by December. You know what I mean? You can do it. Simple. Just send it to your family, send it to your friends, tell them to set up on the campaign 100K. You know what I mean? That's how we are trying to go to for December. That's one good Christmas gift. Big up yourself, burn it down to the ground. Let's go. Watch your part time. Yes, we're there nice studio now. Yes, we're rich now. Watch it. Burn it down.
you push yourself down, if you hit down.
Good.
If you too long, you're too long for them. Look like I work with them. Try to yourself too long.
No, man,
Because
no,
you're
man.
up higher. You know, good man. Check your feet, it length up.
Oh, yeah.
You really can't say you can't take it.
But running on the Monday.
Don't watch the mess, guys. The word is here. I say happy messy.
Oh, the father is here, man.